I always say it, you've heard me say it probably 1,000 times by now. You need to have consistency and discipline to follow your plan. If you don't have consistency and discipline, you're never going to follow the plan, and then you're going to wonder why you're not successful. This is the How to Trade Stocks and Options podcast, brought to you by 10MinuteStockTrader.com, where we cover finance, stocks, options, entrepreneurship, education, and money. And here's your host, voted one of the top 100 people in finance, Christopher Uhl. Hey, can you do me a favor? I really want to help you with trading, and the easiest way for me to do that is by heading to secretinvestingbook.com to get my book, The Secret Investing Book, totally free. All you're doing is covering the shipping price, and we'll send you this book that exposes 13 virtually unknown secrets to take the guesswork out of trading. So grab your copy now at secretinvestingbook.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch all of our past episodes. Good afternoon, traders. I decided to go on a little early today so I could get my weekend started a little bit early today because it is another transition day. But let's break it down. Interestingly enough, earlier this week, we were saying there could be some bearish developments. Now I'm saying we've got some pretty bullish developments here. So let's go take a look at it. Welcome to the 10-Minute Trading Room. This is how to trade in only 10 minutes a day and exactly how to take the guesswork out of trading. Now with our 10 minutes to freedom trading strategies, you know it always starts with the market. And we let it tell us which direction it's going. And we do that with a few key performance indicators, I like to call them. We need to see the 10-day over the 20-day, price over the 50-day. And we do have that. 10 is over the 20, price is over the 50. Now, what I was saying earlier this week, as price was shooting down to the 50-day quickly, it gave up the 10, it gave up the 20, and then within one day it's recovered. Now, a couple points I want to make here. If we can crest this point here from April 18th, the high at 415.72, I think we got a leg that might actually push it higher. And I say that because the market breadth also is coming back. We're up to 40% now. Recently it got as high as 42, it looks like. And what we can see right now is that we've got the price moving up. We've got the breadth moving up. So that is definitely a great sign. Now, the FinClub came through today with a yellow day. So this still is very mixed. We have bullish, bearish, and bearish. Now, when these don't align, that makes today a transition day. But keep in mind, we do have a lot more breadth than we did just a couple days ago. So I think there's a chance that we actually might see the bullish trading environment that we want to see. But in the meantime, always remember, when you evolve to the point of always being patient and only taking quality trades, that means you've decided you're not in it for the action, but to make money. You have sit-out power. You never force trades because you're a pro. So let's move into our final thoughts for the week. Another transition week, but also another week while the market's going sideways. So don't ever think that you need to be doing something. Not at all. Remember, while you're holding cash, you're not losing any money. And with the market going sideways, probably unlikely you're gaining any money otherwise. But as Mark likes to say, wait in cash for proper setups. How long? As long as it takes. While you do nothing, less experienced, lesser disciplined, and less skilled investors are laying the groundwork for your success. They'll build the basis and we'll buy the breakouts when they happen. So don't push it. Don't stress. Don't worry. Enjoy the time off while you got it. Now, Julian Kumar here, or Komar, has this great tweet that I thought I would mention here. You should know exactly what you're looking for. And that's your setup. You should know exactly what you're looking for here, right? We don't even move on to the next steps until the market shows us something. And then when the charts show us something. And then who has the best relative strength? And then we're going to backtest that, right? It's a funnel. We're going all the way from the top of the funnel down to the bottom of the funnel. And we're not skipping any steps. You should know exactly what you're looking for, and that's your setup. If you don't know that, and you don't have the discipline, the market will make a fool of you and take away your money, right? So during this period, right, when we've been letting the market tell us which direction it's going, and the market's been drifting sideways, right? If you don't have the discipline to follow your rules, the market's going to make a fool of you and take away your money, right? It's going to make you feel dumb and take away money at the same time. It's going to kick you twice. We don't want that. So the point of the tweet here, point of the day, the point of the week, the point of the month, have a plan. Have a strategy. If it's mine or someone else's or whatever, have a plan, have a strategy. And then develop the needed discipline. I always say it, you've heard me say it probably 1,000 times by now. You need to have consistency and discipline to follow your plan. If you don't have consistency and discipline, you're never going to follow the plan, and then you're going to wonder why you're not successful. I can't make you successful. I can't do that for you. I can encourage you to follow the plan. I can give you some rules to follow, but ultimately, it's up to you to make that happen. And I believe in you. Look, if I can do this, anybody can do this. So that concludes another week of transition. Another week of just hanging out, waiting for the market to come to us. It's going to happen. Don't get stressed. Don't get worried. Don't get impatient. And definitely don't force trades. But do have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you back here on Monday. Talk soon. Hey, don't forget to grab your free Secret Investing book over at secretinvestingbook.com while it's still available.